a wallet that has been trending on X, and it has been hard for people to like analyze the activity of this wallet because it's like doing a lot of trades. You can see it has a good progress. Of a week only, you can see the amount that he has made. You can see on last day, then of a month. Okay, this account is like a 1 month old account, and it's like doing good profit. So what if like we do something, maybe an analysis on this wallet? So what I came up with is today I just improved maybe some, according to the application, I just improved some features. Maybe before that, maybe you can just check out what are the current improvements. So because it just the model has to classify the wallet, I mean, to like a rebalancer, someone who like buy spot site. Then it's like we are going to have the profile PNL. What else? The win rate. This one will stay constant as I talked yesterday because it has like it is doing like two-way. Then total volume is actually for this 3,500 threads, which is like the last 3,500 threads. So we are going to analyze because this one has a lot of threads, so we can't do all threads at once. So it will like maybe will improve that, but that is not it. Then you can see the average size of this wallet that is using. Also, there is here is wins, here is losses because he's buying both sides, so this one doesn't matter. Then this account is like 100% on a buy. It doesn't sell, it doesn't do anything, so it doesn't exit. Then also what you want to look at, you can see the number of yes bets, which is up for crypto most of the time, then it's down, which is down for most of the times. Another thing is like you need to see the accounts, maybe what is the like this person is trading the most. So okay, we just ignore the volume right now, then you can see this person is like making a lot of like trades around this trading bucket, which is like 30 to 50 cents, followed by around 50 to 75. Then this one's is following, I think is matching this one, this range and this range. So but you can analyze, you can see also it's like doing almost 270 counts on like 99 plus yeah. So then this one doesn't matter for now because this account is doing FA, it's like doing FA trading, so hourly activity doesn't matter. What you are going, maybe you can just like check on the amount that is trying to, or volume that is trying to inject into the market. So what you will see is how much, like you can see a lot of money is being spent at around 99 cents, which will give us maybe an int. Then you can see followed by this bar, like around 50 to 70. Another one is this, but you can see for yourself how much he's spending. Okay, then this tower that he made a lot of exposure, he like used a lot of money on this market. Is averaging around that. Then this like okay, it's on order, so most of the markets like is spending like less than this, so you can just have an average. What else? So what we have here is what I call like the model is trying to give us, maybe is trying to like classify the wallets. So it will classify, then give us maybe the sides of this wallet. So this account is like trying to do the two sides. So you can see it's balanced 19 threads. But what is important for us to see is like what is the average number of threads per market. You can see this person is doing like up to 184 threads in one single market, and is currently doing Bitcoin only, I think. Yeah. average by this one is like how much like this person is making, almost 5% on each and every trades that is doing. Average cap is like remaining on each and every like market is like averaging around 5 cents, which is like 5% return. So now you can see this market. This person made almost like 326 trades by buying 156 on yes side and buying like 170 on no side. They up to this, but you can see this just averages at the top, but this is the actual. He made in this market, he made at least like 18% return, which is quite good. Then you can see almost all the markets. This person is like trying to balance and do two sides, so it's like 100%. Most of the sides are filled. It's like doing almost all markets. But what is interesting is the feature you build whereby we can load more trades around that market, around this person. You can see this person is heavy on doing like 5 minutes. So what we can just do is maybe since we can just find 5 minutes, then we can try and now expand or load more trades. You can just expand like that so that you can see all trades this person is doing. Maybe we can go to the start of the market. So you can see this whole trade started here. Let's just move quick on. This almost this a new market, sorry. Yep. So a new market starts from here. We take a note. So this is a new market, and this is still this now the market that we are trying to analyze. We'll start from this time. So we'll just like try on more. Okay, we'll try to like expand for us to get this person's how he's trying to trade. So this is like we can just like I will just build a feature. Maybe we can just try and filter, but or I can give maybe when I launch this, you will try and maybe expand for yourself so that you can make an analysis on what interval does this person buy, what interval does he sell, or so does he buy actually. So how does he buy the both sides? How does he make balancing? Does it depend on volatility on Binance or something like that, or is just buying? So those are questions that we need to ask ourselves. But before even that, I think you can see the feature that I tried to work on. I tried to improve the UI in general, but I have another wallet. Maybe you can check at it, because once I launch this, you can just analyze for yourself how this wallet does. I don't want to expose anything or give out maybe an hint on my thought process, but you can leave maybe how you think this wallet trades. Maybe you can have an edge, but you can try maybe inbox me on X. This is my username. Then you can just tell me private so that you can build with you this with if it's private. Then we can try and maybe get another wallet, a different concern, maybe yesterday's wallet actually. There is this wallet we analyzed yesterday, and I think this person stopped trading. I think he's trying to maybe find, most of the people have tried copying this wallet, because you can see by the number of views on the wallet, and it has been trending on X. So you need to stop what you are doing so that you cannot attract maybe more people. So I think this person did exactly that, but still it's worth like having to like look at what this wallet was trying to do. Maybe you'll just look at for yourself, but this account stopped trading. Yeah, it's good to switch markets. Let's just try and do some research then maybe in a second. How I find most of the wallets is quite interesting. I just follow people and X, then try and maybe like look at this wallet. But the analysis you need to you need to do it for yourself. So you just copy that, then we'll just like switch the wallet for analysis. Then you wait. But maybe you can do more research for yourself on X before like trusting someone's idea, basically. So maybe you can research on more wallets, then we can try and maybe conclude on that. Let's wait for the feedback for this wallet. It might take some few minutes, maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes. It depends. Okay, 1 minute is quite a long time, but it will take almost 30 seconds. So you just need to wait. So you can see here the logs of this account is trying to get all the threads. So this account has threads like 2400 times, and you can see the win rate is quite low, but the PNL is quite good. So it doesn't matter the wallet, so you need to just, but this wallet has been losing for the past 1 week. And like a month he made like $1,000. I don't know where all these trades came about, but it's quite interesting for you to, maybe this one. I think this one is the biggest that he made till this month. You can see these bets. But that would be a bad idea to copy wallets like that, because you might lose everything. Maybe we'll try and analyze. But this person has been active each and every day, spending money. You can see the average size of a trade. You can see the number of wins against number of losses. Yes and no. This hourly activity that I was talking about, it's like trying to give us, most of the wallet that doesn't do much trade could give us like a good hourly activity of this person. You can try and maybe, this person buys at around $1, which makes sense why is having like good amount of PNL against the amount of losses. This is good because if he's buying one cent or even around 0 to this, a 1 win would make him a lot of money. Quite makes sense. You can see the trades that he does. You can see the trades that he does. You can try and copy him if like you find him interesting, but try and find more wallets. Today or tomorrow I'm going to launch a feature whereby it's going to find for you automatically. We'll have a lot of wallets for us to make analysis on, for us to get maybe a good idea of what we want, or which wallets we should consider copy trading before people start copy trading, when to stop doing copy trading on him. I think that would be the best idea, rather than just copying people blindly. But this wallet you can try and copy if like you have a good amount of money to like risk on his bets that is doing basically around once like 1 cent, under 1 cent buckets. Okay, under 1 cent, yeah. Then I think we are going to wrap the video for today. Then I'm going to like wrap this application, then build an image. We can deploy, I'll deploy the application as soon as possible for people to use it for free. Okay, it's actually for free, so no need, there will be no subscription. I'm going to like finish on the front end, which I've started, and then finish on the wallet analysis. Then you can try. Thank you.